Picture this, it's 2026. And while most gardeners are still stuck planting the same old tomatoes and cucumbers, your garden is bursting with vibrant, unusual plants that everyone suddenly wants but can't find. These aren't just pretty additions, they're resilient, flavorful, and future-proof crops that will dominate gardens worldwide. And here's the best part, you're about to discover them before anyone else. Welcome to Green Answers, where we dig up the freshest gardening trends and show you how to stay ahead of the curve. In today's video, I'll reveal the 10 garden plants set to explode in popularity in 2026, and why you should start growing them now before the trend takes off. If you want your garden to be the one everyone talks about, make sure to hit subscribe, smash that like button, or join our gardening community, because this list could change the way you grow forever. 1. Cucamelons. The mini Marvel cucamelons, also called mouse melons, look like tiny watermelons but taste like cucumbers with a citrus twist. They're set to trend in 2026 because they're fun, unique, and perfect for snacking straight off the vine. Kids love them, chefs adore them, and gardeners appreciate how easy they are to grow. They thrive in warm climates, climbing trellises gracefully, and produce an abundance of fruit with minimal care. Unlike traditional cucumbers, cucamelons resist many pests and diseases, making them a reliable crop. Imagine serving a bowl of these at a summer party. Your guests will be amazed. With their quirky appearance and refreshing flavor, cucamelons are poised to become the next Instagram-worthy garden plant. Plant them early, give them support to climb, and you'll enjoy a harvest that's both conversation starting and delicious. Don't wait until they're sold out. Get ahead of the trend. 2. Purple sprouting broccoli. Winter's secret weapon. Purple sprouting broccoli is a cold, hardy vegetable that thrives when most gardens are dormant. In 2026, it's expected to surge in popularity because gardeners are realizing the value of winter crops. This plant produces vibrant purple florets that not only look stunning, but also pack a nutritional punch. Unlike traditional broccoli, which is harvested once, purple sprouting broccoli offers multiple harvests over weeks, extending your fresh supply. It's resilient against frost, meaning you can plant it in autumn and enjoy harvests in late winter or early spring. The flavor is sweeter and more delicate than regular broccoli, making it a favorite for gourmet dishes. Imagine stepping into your garden in February and harvesting fresh, colorful broccoli while others rely on supermarket imports. That's the magic of this plant. With its beauty, resilience, and taste, purple sprouting broccoli is set to be a gardener's must-have in 2026. Ground cherries. The hidden gem ground cherries, wrapped in papery husks, are sweet, tropical-tasting fruits that resemble tiny golden treasures. They're predicted to explode in popularity because they're versatile, delicious, and surprisingly easy to grow, often overlooked. Ground cherries thrive in warm climates and produce abundantly, rewarding gardeners with baskets of fruit. Their flavor is a mix of pineapple, strawberry, and tomato, making them perfect for jams, pies, or simply snacking. In 2026, chefs and home cooks alike will embrace ground cherries for their unique taste and presentation. They store well in their husks, lasting weeks longer than most fruits. Plus, they're low maintenance, requiring little more than sunshine and occasional watering. Imagine surprising your friends with a homemade ground cherry tart, something they've likely never tasted before. With their exotic flavor and rustic charm, ground cherries are poised to become the darling of gardens everywhere. Plant them now to stay ahead. For perpetual spinach. The endless harvest. Perpetual spinach isn't technically spinach. It's a type of chard, but it looks and tastes remarkably similar. Its name comes from its ability to produce leaves continuously for years, making it a gardener's dream. In 2026, sustainability and long-term crops will dominate gardening trends, and perpetual spinach fits perfectly. Unlike traditional spinach, which bolts quickly in warm weather. Perpetual spinach keeps producing without fuss. Harvest the outer leaves regularly, and the plant will reward you with a steady supply of fresh greens. It's rich in iron, vitamins, and antioxidants, making it a powerhouse for healthy eating. Imagine having a reliable source of leafy greens without constant replanting. That's the beauty of perpetual spinach. It's resilient, easy to grow, and thrives in both garden beds and containers, with food security becoming more important. This plant is set to be a staple in forward-thinking gardens by 2026.5. Honeyberries haskap, the superfood berry honeberries, also known as haskap berries, are nutrient-dense fruits that thrive in cold climates. They look like elongated blueberries and taste like a mix of raspberry and blackberry. In 2026, they're expected to gain massive popularity as gardeners seek superfoods that are both delicious and resilient. Honeyberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber, making them a health-conscious choice. They're also incredibly hardy, surviving frosts that would kill other berry plants. To maximize yields, plant different varieties for cross-pollination. Once established, honeyberries produce abundantly, giving you bowls of jewel-like fruit every season. Imagine starting your morning with a smoothie made from berries you grew yourself. Nutritious, flavorful, and trend-setting with their health benefits, cold tolerance, and unique taste. Honeyberries are destined to be the next big berry craze. Plant them now, and you'll be harvesting superfoods before the rest of the world catches on. 6. Shiso perilla, the aromatic all-rounder. Shiso, also called perilla, is an aromatic herb widely used in Asian cuisine. Its leaves come in green or purple varieties, each offering a unique flavor profile: minty, spicy, and slightly citrusy. In 2026, shiso is set to trend globally as adventurous cooks and gardeners embrace its versatility. You can use it fresh, in salads, as a garnish, or brewed into teas. It's also popular for pickling and flavoring rice dishes. Shiso grows easily in warm climates and can be harvested continuously throughout the season. Beyond its culinary uses, it has medicinal properties including anti-inflammatory benefits. Imagine impressing guests with sushi rolls wrapped in fresh shiso leaves. From your garden, it's both exotic and practical, with global cuisine influencing home cooking. Shiso is poised to become a must-have herb. Plant it now and you'll be ahead of the culinary curve when 2026 arrives. 7. Collards. The hybrid powerhouseiglets are a cross between kale and Brussels sprouts, combining the best of both worlds. They look like miniature kale florets growing on a sprout stalk, and they're packed with nutrients. In 2026, collards are expected to dominate gardens because they're innovative, healthy, and fun to grow. Their flavor is nutty and slightly sweet, making them appealing even to those who dislike Brussels sprouts. Collards are versatile in the kitchen: roast them, sauté them, or add them to salads. They're also resilient plants, thriving in cooler climates and producing multiple harvests. Imagine serving roasted collards at a dinner party. Guests will be intrigued by the novelty and impressed by the taste. With their unique appearance, nutritional value, and adaptability, collards are set to be a star in future gardens. Plant them now to enjoy a crop that's both trendy and timeless. 8. Sunchokes. Jerusalem artichokes. The perennial tuber sunchokes, also known as Jerusalem artichokes, are nutty flavored tubers that grow underground like potatoes. They're set to rise in popularity in 2026 because they're perennial, low maintenance, and highly nutritious. Once planted, sunchokes return year after year, providing a reliable food source. They're rich in inulin, a prebiotic fiber that supports good health, making them a favorite among health-conscious eaters. Sunchokes can be roasted, mashed, or added to soups, offering a versatile alternative to traditional root crops. They grow tall, with sunflower-like blooms, Adding beauty to your garden while producing food below. Imagine harvesting baskets of tubers every autumn without replanting. That's the magic of sunchokes. With sustainability becoming a priority, these perennial tubers are poised to be a gardener's secret weapon. Plant them now, and you'll enjoy a crop that keeps giving, year after year, long before the trend catches fire. Lovage. The forgotten herbivage is an old-world herb with a flavor similar to celery, but stronger and more aromatic. It's poised to make a comeback in 2026 as gardeners rediscover forgotten herbs with multiple uses. Lovage is a perennial, meaning once planted, it can grow for decades, providing leaves, stems, and seeds for cooking. Its tall, striking appearance also makes it a beautiful addition to any garden. Culinary uses range from soups and stews to salads and teas, offering versatility that rivals modern herbs. Beyond cooking, lovage has traditional medicinal uses, including aiding digestion. Imagine having and there you have it, 10 garden plants set to explode in 2026. From the quirky cucamelons to the forgotten powerhouse lovage, these crops aren't just trendy, they're practical, flavorful, and future-proof. Imagine how incredible your garden will look when you're harvesting these while everyone else is just catching on. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which plant are you most excited to grow first? Drop your choice in the comments. I'll be reading and replying to as many as I can. If this video gave you fresh ideas, don't forget to hit that like button to show some love. And share it with your gardening friends so they can get ahead of the trend too. And of course, make sure to subscribe to Green